uTorrent on your PC. So first of all, you're gonna go to Google Chrome, then you're gonna search for uTorrent, and you're gonna go to the official website or write in uTorrent download. So we're gonna do that. Click on the first link, click on free download, it's gonna take a bit. And if it doesn't download, like in this case, you're gonna click on this. It's gonna start downloading immediately. And after it's done downloading, you'll just open it and do this simple installing stuff, which is accepting to terms, and just click on finish, and that will be it.